Meaning of exhibit.
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 Exhibit. The word exhibit means to display or show something in public for people to see. This could refer to objects, artwork, or even behaviors. When something is exhibited, it is typically presented in a specific setting, such as a museum or gallery. The purpose of exhibiting something is often to educate or entertain the audience. Exhibits can range from simple displays to elaborate installations, and they can cover a wide variety of topics and themes. Overall, exhibiting something allows people to share their ideas or creations with others, and to showcase their work to a wider audience.